Hey, what's up everybody? Steve with the Penguin Outdoors YouTube channel, and today I'm at a little reservoir with my boy Christian. We're gonna try and get after some bass. There is a couple things I can tell you for sure. It's cold. It's like 37, which is not as cold as it's gonna be pretty soon here, but it's cold. The other thing I can tell you, there's some duck hunters out here, so we're gonna be careful about where we go. We're gonna give them a bunch of space and try not to get any lead in our butt cheeks today. And the third thing I can tell you with absolute certainty is that my left boot is not waterproof anymore. Found that out launching the boat, but it's gonna be a good day. The water has officially dropped just below 60 degrees. This lake has been turned off for a minute, so we're hoping it'll be turned back on. So we're gonna get out of the water and see what we can get into. Let's go. Good release. All right guys, that's a 12 3/4. First fish of this very cold fall day. Get you back in the water there. We'll see you later. All right guys, I got my little bit of cooking stuff here with me. Gonna make some ramen noodles, probably some hot chocolate. I think I'm feeling hot chocolate, but let you guys watch. Oh, there's even a little hole here. That's pretty decent. Oh, I forgot the water in the kayak. To this one. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, the place I chose to beach leaves a little bit to be desired. Now the reason I chose ramen noodles is because the same thing I need to make my noodles is the same thing that I need to make my drink, boiling water. This is that next level shit right here. You know, I'm slaving away in the kitchen like a good wife. Christian's over there catching fish. What do you got there, buddy?
Probably 14 again.
You see, guys, you see what happens? You go in the kitchen to make a sandwich. She just keeps catching fish. I love this little kettle, guys. Honestly, if you guys are looking for some really lightweight, very affordable camping gear or cooking gear, I'll put links to this stuff in the description down below. I got all this from Amazon. Really great stuff. Steam is starting already. Guys, check this out. Seasonings to go. Is that not the coolest thing? I know I want some salt. A little bit of pepper. Alrighty. A little more. Almost there. There we go. Lunch is ready.
Oh, there was shit.
Yeah, there's been a bunch of stuff busting in here, but I'm starting to wonder if there's anything even chasing it.
They're sitting here for now.
Yeah.
The bass ain't up on them yet.
No, I think the bass are waiting for the current to push them out and then ambushing them. And so, thanks, man. This one here is all you. I got a whole thing of spices too. If you decide you want to mix it up.
What flavor is it? Just regularly?
Chicken.
That's the good one.
I say the best one.
Yeah.
I love this little portable stuff, man.
Right? It's like a gray.
Sun dolphin. Is that like one of the bass raider
Like a
looking
bass
ones?
raider, but it's a sun dolphin, yeah.
He's not the one that we saw out here all the other times, is he?
No.
I think that was a big...
He was pulling them off shallow wood, but there wasn't anything of size, and I was like, well, that's...
is a proper amount of mud in my kayak, and that's that stinky mud. If you had smell-o-vision right now, you'd be like, oh man, yeah, she gonna need a bath. Of course, when doesn't it need a bath? All right, guys, so we got into some fish. More like Christian got into several fish. I got into one fish, but that kept the skunk away. So, I mean, we're gonna call that a win. I brought the cooking stuff with me. That was definitely a win. I am shocked by the number of other kayaks we saw out here, though only one of them has lasted with us. Not as long as us yet, but he will. But man, them other ones, they were here for like an hour and then they were out.
Yeah. They didn't like the code.
All right, Christian, what'd you catch them all on today?
I just put it up, but if you give me a second, I'll pull him out for you.
I think we can wait. Oh. That dude out there's got a sun-dolphin boat. That thing's wild. All right. Oh, that's a good looking bait.
It's Missile Baits D-Bomb. I want to say it's called Bruiser Flash. 3-aught EWG, 3/8 ounce weight.
That's a solid looking color. That blue.
I pretty much just drug it. They hold up really good for what they are. I didn't think they were going to last as long as they did, but I'm dragging it. Pretty much just trying to imitate a crawl today since it's pretty chilly.
It worked.
Worked out pretty good. Yeah.
Listen, guys, I got one on the slobber knocker. The slobber knocker keeps the skunk away. And then, so Trey is at the Big Bass 250. Trey is currently sitting in 3rd place and has what might be the biggest bass. Like, Trey is sitting in a position right now to walk away with some serious money. So, yeah, we're excited for him. We'll have to see how that all turns out. We're going to do a podcast here soon where we talk to Trey all about the Big Bass 250. We're going to make him tell us all his secrets and everything that he did.
Secrets.
Yeah, all them secrets, all that juice. All right, guys, we're going to wrap it up because it is cold outside. Yep. Christian's got to finish getting loaded. I'm about loaded up, and we're going to get out of here. So don't forget to hit subscribe, hit that like button, leave some comments down below. Even if I suck, because the comments and the like buttons and all that, that's a lot of that YouTube metrics stuff that they pay attention to. So we'll catch you on the next one, guys. Tight lines.